In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to invite people to your Basecamp account. Whether you're a Basecamp newbie or just looking to refresh your knowledge, this step-by-step guide will streamline the process and get your team collaborating quickly. Let's kick things off on the home screen of your Basecamp dashboard. You'll notice an Invite People button, usually located prominently for easy access. Go ahead and click that button. It's your gateway to bringing new collaborators into your Basecamp environment. You'll then encounter a decision tree of sorts, asking you to specify the type of person you'd like to invite. This is important because different relationships with your company may require different levels of access. Here are your options. Someone within your company who's essentially a full user with complete access to team projects and information. A contractor, partner, or guest who might have limited, targeted access, or a client who often needs only a peek into specific areas relevant to them. Choose the category that best fits the person's role and relationship with your team. Keep in mind that permission levels are designed to ensure that everyone gets the information they need without overwhelming them with what's irrelevant. Once you've made your selection, it's time to move on to entering their details. This is where you'll add their name and email address. If you're inviting multiple people, Basecamp typically allows you to add more than one email at a time. It's a real time saver, especially if you're onboarding a whole department or team of contractors. So, take a moment to double-check spelling and roles to avoid any future confusion. After inputting the details, you'll see an option to email invitation now or something similar. Click that and you're sending out a virtual welcome mat, granting them the opportunity to join your Basecamp account. What happens next is that your invitee receives an email inviting them into your Basecamp fold. This email guides them through setting up their login credentials. It's usually a straightforward process on their end, but it marks an essential step in onboarding. Once they accept this invitation, they officially become a user in your Basecamp account. It's a great moment. Your team's reach and potential for collaboration just expanded. It's crucial to note, though, that while they're now part of your Basecamp account, you'll still need to add them to individual projects they'll be working on. So, take a minute to consider the structure of your projects and where each new user best fits in. And there you have it. A straightforward guide to inviting people to Basecamp that, when followed closely, ensures a smooth, hassle-free onboarding experience for everyone involved. Thanks for tuning in and getting your team ready for their Basecamp journey.